So I'm going to show you the easiest way to make chia seed pudding. Chia seed pudding I used to think was absolutely disgusting because it's like looks weird, but it's actually really good, and it's a good thing to eat in the beginning of the morning and the beginning of your day because it will keep you very full for the entire day. So say for some reason you have a lot of things to do, maybe you might not be able to eat lunch at 11, 12, 1, whatever your normal lunch time is. Eating chia seed pudding will get you through your day. And just in general, there's so many great benefits of chia seeds. So of course they've got our omegas in them. They've got a lot of fiber, a lot of protein. So it's a really, really great nutritious meal to have any time of the day, especially starting your day off. So let's do this. Super easy. The things that you're gonna need are, of course, your chia seeds. And I have the Whole Foods brand chia seeds. They're like $8. The Trader Joe's ones are like $4 or $5, way cheaper. And you'll also need some kind of liquid. So I'm gonna use almond milk. Oh my gosh, oat milk. I'm gonna use oat milk. And I have full fat oat milk. I'm also gonna put some vanilla in mine. And I'm gonna put in some sliced almonds, but I'm putting this in at the end. And I'm gonna put in dates and flax seeds, which I'm putting at the end too. Flax seeds can get real weird and mushy and jealous. Like, it's just actually disgusting. It's like way weirder and grosser to me than chia seeds ever could be. But those are our ingredients. All right, so we're gonna put in the chia seeds first. I'm putting in 1/4 of a cup. So, 1/4 cup of chia seeds. Then we're gonna put the milk. I'm gonna do a cup. So now we're gonna put our chia seed liquid mixture into the refrigerator. So we're gonna actually put these guys in the refrigerator. The bag says, we're gonna look at the bag, because I looked online also. Yeah. It actually doesn't even say, that's actually so funny. But anyways, online it says like, you can do 10 minutes will actually soak up the liquid, but I usually just do these overnight, chia seed pudding overnight. But we're gonna just let these sit for 15-20 minutes in the actual refrigerator. And while we're going over our nice benefits, omega-3 fatty acids, it says 4,767, 9 grams of fiber, 6 grams of protein, and this is all per serving. Based on 3 tablespoons with 8 ounces of liquid. We did 1/4 of a cup. All right, this is after the 20 minutes. Now, we can actually add in our ingredients. I'm adding in the dates. Those dates are sticky. Adding in some flax seeds. And some almond slices. All right, so now let's try this. Mmm. What I love about this is like all the textures. It has like a smooth texture from the chia seeds. It's really, really cold. I like cold stuff sometimes. I have my dates in there with their own texture. It's kind of like chewy. Then you got your almonds to add some crunch, as well as flax seeds. And this is super healthy. Great way to start off, like I said, your day. A great snack. Very filling and satisfying too. Well, that's how you make chia seed pudding. Really easy. You can just do that. Takes 2 seconds, especially if you're a person who's like super busy. You can do that at nighttime, put it in the fridge, have breakfast for the next day. You can have breakfast for 5 days. They said that you can have chia seeds in liquid up to 5 days, but I think that it's a good go-to. Sometimes I don't like oatmeal as much, sometimes. So chia seed pudding is like a nice alternative. And it tastes good so many different ways with fruit. I've had it I had a really good one actually at South City Kitchen. That's what made me realize that, okay, fine, I actually like chia seeds. It was like their only vegan option really for breakfast. It was amazing. Definitely amazing. Bye.